All right, you got yourself a big old motorhome with that big old Ford 6.8 liter V10, and you need to do an oil change like my Uncle Tony? Well, I'm gonna show you in this video just how to do that. Let's jump right into it. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to throw some cardboard underneath the passenger's side where the drain plug is located on this big old RV. And then of course any fluid collector that you're gonna be using to catch that used oil. Now you might have a drain plug. I have a Fumoto valve, which are sweet. If you do have a drain plug, you're gonna have to fix up something to drain properly, otherwise you're gonna run right into this cross member right here. But for me, I have this little clear tube that I'm gonna throw over the Fumoto valve. And then if you've never used one of these before, all you have to do is remove the little black plastic safety. Then you just push the little silver tab over and then down. Then it's gonna start releasing all that old oil. Then we're just gonna go ahead and let that drain. There's about 7 quarts in there. All right, once the oil is pretty much out of this line, I'm just gonna close up that Fumoto valve. Then I'm gonna pull the hose off and put it in my collector just so I'm not dripping oil everywhere. Don't forget the little black safety cap. With that oil all drained out of the valve, we're gonna go onto the driver's side now and change its filter. And there isn't much to taking your oil filter out. Just grab an oil filter wrench, undo that oil filter, make sure that your drip pan and some cardboard are underneath it because it will drip. It's definitely gonna drip on this cross member here, but that's all right. We'll wipe it up with a rag. Once that old filter is out and drained, you grab the new filter, dab a little bit of the old oil onto the O-ring of the new filter, then screw it on back up. Factory specs are to just hand tighten these filters, but I like to give it a little snug with that oil filter wrench, then it's done. Once all that oil's drained, you're gonna locate where you're gonna fill it back up. So on this rig, I open up the doghouse or the hood with the keys. It's just a couple of latches. Depending on your rig, it's pretty tricky to get your new oil canister up in here and to pour it. So you can use like a fluid pump, something like this, and pump the new oil in. But I think I can maneuver. I got a 5 quart and then 2 single quarts of oil. So I think I can pour that 5 quart. There's enough room up here in this dash that I can pour it. So you kind of have to figure out how you can get your new oil in. Use a pump if you have to. But here we go. So I'm gonna throw 6 quarts of new oil in. Pull the dipstick, see where we're at. This engine calls for 7 quarts, but after the 6 quarts, let's see if it needs that other one put in. And this engine only has 40,000 miles on it, so I just put some SAE 5W20 in it. All right, it looks a little below the full line, so we're gonna add that 1 more quart. There you have it. Let's start that engine up, let it purr for about 2 minutes, check for any leaks. But that's it. That's how you change the oil on this big old V10 Triton 6.8 liter engine. Hey, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff, and thank you for watching.